What if the skincare products you are using right now is actually running your skin without you knowing? Stop scrolling. Here are 15 silent mistakes making your skin worse, and number 9 will completely shock you. Let's dive right in. Washing with hot water. Using hot water strips away your skin's natural oil, leaving it dry and irritated. Always stick to the lukewarm water. Over-exfoliating. Over-exfoliating, scrubbing too often and using heavy acids daily can ruin your skin barrier. Limit exfoliation to 2 or 3 times a week. Skipping sunscreen indoors. UV rays penetrate window and blue lights from the screen can affect your skin. Wear SPF every single day. Applying products in the wrong order. Always layer your skincare from the thinnest to thickest and start with the water-based serum and end with heavy creams. Rubbing your face dry. Roughly rubbing your face with a towel causes friction and micro tears. Always pat your skin dry gently. Popping pimples. Squeezing breakouts pushes bacteria deeper into your skin and leads to bone dark spots. Let them heal naturally. Sleep with makeup on. This clogs your pores overnight and speed up the premature aging. Always double cleanse before bed. If you are enjoying these tips and want more simple self-care guides, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification. Joining our fan takes 1 second and it helps out the channel so much. Now back to the mistake number 8. Skipping moisturizer for the oily skin. Even oily skin needs moisturizer. If you skip it, your skin will produce more oil to compensate. Look for lightweight and oil-free gels. Apply hyaluronic acid on dry skin, and hyaluronic acid pulls the moisturizer from its environment, and if applied on the bone dry skin, it can actually dry you out. Always apply it on the damp skin. Mixing too many active ingredients, combining retinol, vitamin C, and all at once will irritate your skin. Keep your routines simple and alternate them. Using dirty pillowcase and makeup brushes. Pillowcase and brushes trap oil, dirt, and bacteria. Change your pillowcase weekly and wash your brushes regularly. Neglecting your neck and hand. Your neck and hands show early signs of aging just like your face. Always bring your serums, moisturizer, and SPF down to your neck, touching your face constantly. Your hands carry bacteria all day. Avoid resting your chin in your hands or touching your face unnecessarily. Switching the products too quickly. Skincare takes time. Give new products at least 4 to 6 weeks before deciding if they work for you. Applying eye serums too close to your eyes. Putting eye serum directly on your eyelid can cause irritation or tiny white bumps. Gently tap it along your orbital bone instant. And that's it. 15 super easy fixes to elevate your skincare routine. Which of these were you guilty of? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video if it has, and subscribe for more skincare tips. Take care of your skin and I will see you in the next one. Bye.